Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off fisheye effect on the Insta360 Go camera. This is the third version, but you can do this on basically any other Insta360 Go. So to do that, it's quite simple. Just turn on your camera, look at the screen, and on the screen you will see all these buttons on the bottom of the screen. Just select action, and as you can see now, it's set to action. So the action and the ultra option, these are the fisheye options. This is the widest, and this is also still quite wide. And these two options, the linear and the narrow, are going to turn off the fisheye effect. Basically, your image is going to be much more narrower, but there is not going to be too much distortion. As you can see, this is how much you can see from this angle. The box is on the side of the image, but if I change to action, as you can see now, it's a lot wider. So this is how you can turn off the fisheye effect. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.